Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is NURALIAH Sofia ABDUL. Our group is choosing topic of impact artificial intelligence on employment as our article review. The first article summary that I will explain is understanding AI role in shaping job, workforce and employment. The first point, which is transformation of workplace, highlight how AI help automate repetitive and manual tasks. This make work faster and more efficient, allowing employees to focus on tasks and require creativity and problem solving. Next is evolving job roles. The point discuss how AI causes job role to change. Some traditional jobs are replaced by machine, but at the same time, new jobs such as AI programmers, data analysis, and machine learning specialists are being created. The last point, focus on the importance of skill and adaptability. Workers need to learn technical skill like data analytics and programming to stay relevant. The article also encourage continuous learning and flexibility to adapt to the future job demand. The second article summary is exploring AI in employees' experience and culture. The article explains how artificial intelligence is changing the way employees work and how organizations operate. AI helps employees to perform better by taking over routine and repetitive tasks. This allows them to focus on more important and strategic work. For example, chatbot and adaptive learning platform can improve training, onboard and workflow efficiency. This save time and reduce the burden of repetitive tasks. Next, article also discuss how AI can improve organizational culture and employment engagement. AI can personalize learning and feedback, which help employees to develop their skill and stay motivated. It can also reduce bias in recruitment and support inclusivity when used carefully. However, this benefit depend on whether the organizational is ready and whether leadership support the AI initiative. Without the proper planning, AI may not improve engagement as expected. Next, another important point the article made is about the trust ethic and governance. Employees need to trust AI system for them to work effectively. If AI is poorly designed or lack of transparency, it can reduce the motivation and create the unintended bias. Therefore, ethical guidelines and strong governance are necessary to ensure AI support human value and organizational goals.
The integrations of artificial intelligence (AI) with human labour brings both exciting opportunities and important challenges in today's workplaces. When used wisely, AI can work alongside employees to boost productivity, spark innovations, and improve efficiency across industries. To make this transition fair and effective, companies should provide training that considers gender and age, helping female and older employees adapt more easily. In highly automated fields like manufacturing, encouraging human-machine collaboration can improve efficiency while easing fears of job loss. AI also supports sustainable growth as innovations in green technology can improve environmental performance and foster eco-friendly entrepreneurship, helping companies succeed in environmentally conscious markets. Next, to address concerns about job security, businesses should communicate openly and provide specialized AI training for highly skilled employees. Continuous learning is also key for all workers, especially older and highly educated individuals, so they can stay adaptable and competitive in a changing job landscape. Finally, AI's impact goes beyond economics. Companies should also provide mental health support, cybersecurity guidance, and holistic strategies to help employees navigate the social, cultural, and psychological effects of AI at work. A firm that invests in AI see about 2% more sales each year, adding up to around 20% over a decade. And this growth usually shows 2 to 3 years after investment. At the same time, AI creates more jobs rather than replacing workers, although productivity per employee stays about the same, meaning AI mainly helps firms grow and expand, while requiring changes in organizations and workforce. AI-driven growth mostly comes from new products rather than process improvements. Between 2010 and 2018, firms investing in AI saw a 13% increase in trademarks and a 24% rise in product patents, while process patents barely changed. AI supports both small improvements like safer cars using computer vision and big innovations like Moderna's fast COVID-19 vaccine development, which allows faster experimentations and product creation. AI adoptions also shift the workforce toward more skilled employees, especially in STEM fields, while fewer less educated workers are hired, showing the need for reskilling and upskilling. Finally, AI leads to flatter company structures with more junior and independent employees taking on bigger roles, reducing reliance on middle and senior managers, and boosting innovation and productivity.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nurzamira binti BAHRUM, and I will be presenting on the summary of an article, Substitution or Creation, Identifying the Role of Artificial Intelligence in Employment, which this article highlights on how to utilize AI effectively while also balancing workforce in the company. By combining two types of model, which is TBTC, Task-Based Technological Change, which measure task-level process that complements or replaces tasks completely by AI, and Skill-Based Technological Change, SBTC, which consider the impact of AI on each level of task. It allows them to focus on three important bodies that will help them to achieve optimal usage of AI. The first important body is policymaker, which needs to ensure fair distribution of AI benefits towards the company by adjusting regulation to balance both AI and workforce to reduce the negative impact of AI towards employment. The next important body is educator, which need to provide good education and training system by highlighting on how to operate the technology and also their function to ensure employee and management can quickly adapt to changes of modern technology. Lastly is organization, where response of company towards revolution of technology plays a crucial role in ensuring smooth transition of AI in the company. By applying effective adaptation strategy, it allows them to eliminate negative impact of AI and allowing company to utilize all sources provided towards the company.
Hi, my name is AFIQAH binti Muhammad MAHAZAM. So now I will tell you our critique about this topic. Artificial intelligence is reshaping the world of work by boost efficiency, enabling creativity and support long-term sustainable growth. At the same time, it introduced challenges such as job displacement, algorithmic bias, and unequal access to digital tools. To ensure that everyone benefits fairly, ethical practices and inclusive training must be prioritized. Policymakers have a responsibility to create regulation that safeguard workers' rights, while educators should adapt learning programs to meet changing skill demands. Organizations also need to manage the technological transition thoughtfully. For individuals, it is essential to stay adaptable and committed to lifelong learning. By embracing innovation while addressing its risks, society can use AI not as a threat, but as a powerful force for a shared progress and opportunity.
For our overall opinion of the article and also this topic, an assumption towards AI which can give negative impact towards employment can be debunked if it was used effectively. Therefore, companies should grab the chances to implement AI in their company and balancing them with existing system. This will not only enhance overall quality of product and service, but also upgrading knowledge and skills of employees in the company to strive and stay competitive in the